Hi there guys, it's Yasamid here from Techno. In this short video I'm going to show you how to transfer your sound recordings from your phone onto your laptop. So the first thing we do is just make sure it's on first. Then we go open it up. Then we press this little button in the corner. Get File Manager. Then we just press a little pencil in the corner there, the top right hand corner. Then we get them little check marks boxes there, so we just select one. So we just select the number 4. And that's been selected. Then we're going to click on where it says share. Then we'll say how do we want to share. We're going to send it as an email. And that's what you get. So you got that so far. So you got who it's sent from, who's going to be sent to. So we're going to just type that in the set now. We can write a subject if we want, and we just compose the email. Or and if we're ready to send it, we just press a little arrow button. And there it says send a message and it's been sent. In step 1 I showed you how to get the sound recordings from your phone to your email. In this part I'm going to show you how to make sure that the file has been sent to your email and everything's done the way it should be done. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is open up our web browser, so whichever one is fine. Then you want to go to your email, whichever one you use. I'm using Hotmail, so then you just need to sign in. And then if we go down, as you can see, that's the one that we just sent right now. So no subject, little attachment, paperclip, 225. And if we open it up, this is an AMR file. In a future video, I'll show you how to convert this file into an MP3 file that you can actually use. I hope this video was useful and helpful. If it was, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. Also leave your comments in the comments section below. I post new videos every Wednesday.
No worries, mate!
Subscribe! You you should come and look at it.